In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize reading pane in Microsoft Outlook. If you spend a lot of time in your inbox, the reading pane is where you preview messages without fully opening them. Adjusting its position can make your workflow smoother, help you see more of what matters, and reduce the clicks it takes to get through your mail. Let's walk through how to change it and what each option is best for. Start by looking to the top of your Outlook window and go to the View tab. This is the area on the ribbon that controls how your inbox looks and behaves. Once you're on the View tab, find and click the Reading Pane option. This opens a small menu that lets you choose the layout that suits you best. There are 3 choices: right, bottom, and off. Choose right if you want the message preview to appear on the right side of your message list. This layout works especially well on wider screens because it lets you keep a solid view of your list of emails while giving you a comfortable space to read the selected message. It's great for quick triage, skimming through multiple emails and seeing details like attachments or flags without leaving the list. Choose bottom if you prefer the reading pane below your message list. This is a strong choice when you're working in a narrower window or on a smaller display, because it gives you more vertical space to read longer messages like newsletters or reports. It also keeps the flow of your eyes moving from